Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. In this video, I would like to share with you how I was able to restore my hair back after I lost a great deal of hair. At some point, I bleached my hair, and after a while, I discovered my hair was falling off. It was really falling off. It was splitting. Even when I reverted back to the original color, it didn't stop. It got even worse. So I discovered a secret on how to restore it back, how to give it the growth back, the shine back. And these two secrets I discovered in my kitchen. They are cloves and ginger. So I'm going to lose my hair and show you how much growth I've gained. Then I'll prepare these cloves and ginger and show you how to apply it. So here I have my cloves. These are the dry ones. Then I have ginger. I'm adding a little ginger to the mixture. Before now, I've soaked these cloves for about a week now. So I'm going to show you how it looks like now, because it has infused all its ingredients into the water and the color has changed. I'll show you the difference, how it looks from this dry one to this ones I've soaked for about a week now. So we know that ginger stimulates hair growth and strengthens the hair root and follicles. Ginger can control yeast infection and help soothe the scalp. Ginger boosts blood circulation to the scalp and strengthens dry and brittle hair. It also helps hair splitting. Cloves, on the other hand, stops itching or flaky scalp. It takes care of dandruff. Cloves reduces hair fall. It helps solve the problem of hair thinning. It can naturally help thicken your hair, thicken weak and brittle strands. So let me show you how I do it. Before now, I washed the cloves, a tablespoon of cloves. I washed it properly. Then with clean water, I put it inside this bottle. So for a week now, it has changed in color. This ginger, blend it with this cloves water. And this is how I peel off the back of the ginger, just the back. We don't need the back. Go ahead and sieve out the cloves from the bottle. So I'll show you the difference with the wet one. So this is my wet cloves, the ones I've soaked for a week. You see, the shape is different. All its nutrients has been infused into the water. Can you compare it with the dry one? You see the difference both in color, in size, and in shape. This one has taken out all its nutrients, so it's the water I need, because it's the water that will help your hair growth. So now I'll pour my water, the cloves water, into my blender, the one I strained out from the bottle. Then the ginger, I've washed it clean. I'll pour it into the blender, then I'll blend it together. So I've blended it now. I'll go ahead and pour it into a pot and bring it to a boil. It's on heat now, so I'll cover it and allow it, and once it comes to a boil, I'll take it off the heat because I want to retain the nutrients. It has come to a boil. I'll stir and take it off the heat and allow it to cool down. So this is our ginger and cloves paste. It has cooled down for about an hour. So now I'm going to run it into the bottle, the spray bottle, with the help of a sieve, a very fine sieve. Sieving it right now. I don't want any particles of the ginger inside my bottle. I use the spoon and bring out all the juice. I washed my hair and this is what it looks like now. And here is my clove and ginger water. So whenever I want to apply it, I shake it very well. You will need a towel in case it drops on your clothes. It's easy to wash out, but in case if it drops, then I apply it on my scalp. Then I massage in. I apply and massage in circular motions. I apply and massage in circular motions. You don't have to wash this out. You don't have to rinse it out. I apply 3 times a week all over my scalp. And I massage in. My front especially, because of my edges all over the hair. This is what I do, and it's growing. It's not falling off, it's not splitting. My hair is thicker now than before. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Subscribe to support me. Thank you very much. If this video has been of any help to you, please hit this like button. You can apply this with your weaves on or with your braids on. You can apply it. You don't need to wash it off. You don't need to rinse it off. Till this smells so good. It doesn't have any bad odor. Smells so good. You will like it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.